well-deserved break. For the long weekend, we are on the way to Sual, Pangasinan for some beach time, and hopefully we can visit 100 Islands tomorrow.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Masamirey Cove Resort. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon po. We're here at Masamirey Cove Resort. We checked in at their family room, and today will be a pretty chill day. We'll just enjoy the place, relax by the beach since it's a rainy day. Hopefully by tomorrow though, the sky will clear. We just had lunch at the restaurant and it was really good.
But you can thank you, stars are your wonder, and I'll always be the lucky one.
Hello good morning. We just finished breakfast. They served it outside of our room. Unfortunately, things will not go as we planned for today since there's a typhoon. Hope everyone's safe, by the way. And they canceled all the trips to 100 Islands. We are not yet sure what we're going to do for today. Probably just like hang out by the beach since we're kind of stranded here because of the storm. It's pretty windy outside and the waves are kind of scary, but hopefully we can swim later.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead.
So windy, we feel like at any given moment we could just like fly away. But there are still people swimming.
It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get it. Hey, stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feel so amazing. Stop going, stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could run through the rest. Give it a little more think, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know, oh well, but this time will not be the same again. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head. Cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. It's daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Built a bonfire with our cold, cold bones. On the smoke we all got stoned.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know if you can hear me clearly. I'm already wearing a mic, but it's so windy out here. We were supposed to go on a walk by the beach, but the winds were still so strong and the tide was starting to go up. So we're just here enjoying the view. Right now it's like sitting in front of a huge electric fan that's on its highest mode.
So sweep up all the ashes into a paper bag and put 'em on a drift.
Good morning. It's still a rainy day and breakfast is served. It looks really good. We're just packing up and getting ready to go. This long weekend getaway is absolutely fun, and although we weren't able to really swim at the beach and visit 100 islands, Masamirey Cove is beautiful and the place is amazing with good food. This vacation was really a time for us to relax and recharge, and at least next time we have a reason to come back here and finally visit the famous 100 islands.